Here's how to screenshot someone's profile picture on WhatsApp in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. WhatsApp does not block screenshots of profile pictures, and the other person will not be notified. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Open the chat with the person whose profile picture you want to screenshot. Tap the contact name at the top, then tap on their profile picture to view it in full screen. You can pinch to zoom to make the profile picture bigger before taking the screenshot. Press the screenshot buttons on your phone. On iPhone, press side button and volume up together. On Android, press power and volume down. Open your Photos or Gallery app. Your screenshot will be saved there automatically. Screenshot restrictions only apply to view once photos and videos, not profile pictures. And that's it. That's how you screenshot someone's profile picture on WhatsApp. Subscribe for more WhatsApp and phone tips.